Welcome to this module on construction and maintenance of temples in Mesopotamia. The god was the focus of worship. To him or her people, they brought grain, curd, and fish. How they used to worship the gods? They used to worship the gods by offering to them grain, curd, and fish. The god was also theoretical owner of the agricultural fields, the fisheries, and the herds of the local community. Now, why they used to offer the grain, the curd, or the fish? Because they used to believe in their theories that God is the owner and He is the one who is providing or taking care of the agricultural fields, the fisheries, and the herds of the local community. This could be one reason why they are worshipping God with the grains, curd, and fish. Now, the production process also happened in the temple. The production process, such as oil pressing, grain grinding, spinning, and weaving of the woolen cloth, is done in the temple, in the courtyards, the outer parts of the region. So, the temple is not only the place where they worship their gods, but it is also a place where there is a commercial activity that is happening, like the production process of oil pressing, grain grinding, spinning, and weaving of the woolen cloth is done in the temple. The temple gradually developed its activities and became the main urban institution by organizing production, employing merchants, and keeping the written records of distribution. Whatever they are distributing, they used to maintain a written record. As we learned in the previous section, how detailedly they used to write the record of the transaction. They also used to maintain the records of the allotment of grains to the people, plough, animals, bread, beer, fish, etc. So, when we look at the other civilizations, the temples were only the places of worship. They were used only as the places of worship. But here you can see there is some kind of urban activity that is happening, and it slowly evolved as the main urban institution, because here there is production process which is happening, and once the organizing of production is done, then they are employing merchants. They are keeping the records of what all transactions that are happening, what are distributions that are happening, what are the allotments of the grains that is being done, how the food grains are distributed, ploughs, animals, bread, beer, fish, everything is recorded. That's why the temples gradually emerged as main urban centers, and slowly temples became the regions where people started to settle down. People used to come and stay nearby to the places of temples so that they can have quick access to the temple. Stay tuned, we'll catch you in the next section.